In the previous clip, we took a look at the report viewer. Now let's take a look at the dashboard viewer. In order to access the dashboard viewer, we simply load a dashboard. There are two ways to do this. We can click on the dashboard directly, or we can click on the Dashboards button, which loads a list of all dashboards. Now a dashboard isn't quite a report, but it's treated the same as a report in the report list. We can't really tell the difference between a report and a dashboard simply by mousing over it. In the Northwinds environment, we've named our dashboards with the word dashboard in order to help keep track of what's going on. Since I know this is a dashboard, I'll go ahead and click it. And this loads the dashboard viewer. You can see the dashboard viewer looks very similar to the report viewer. However, there are a few key differences. Namely, there are less options for modifying or exporting your dashboard. We can refresh our dashboard with new filter settings. I can save or save as I could with the report viewer. I can also print to HTML, HTML PDF, or standard PDF. And with the pencil, I can access the dashboard designer. I can also change which category I'm looking at for my dashboards. I can create a new dashboard, or I can load a different currently existing dashboard. Now in Izenda terms, a dashboard doesn't really exist. A dashboard is simply a mosaic, or a collection of report parts. In order to have a dashboard, I must have at least one report. Remember that in our previous video, we said that a report is composed of report parts. Each report part can be a discrete unit or panel, or really whatever you want to call it, in a dashboard. This dashboard is composed of two separate charts, as well as a large tabular portion. A dashboard can also have filters applied to it. In order for a dashboard to have a filter, every report which contributes a report part must also have that filter in place. That might not make much sense right now, but we'll go over that later, don't worry. Let's say I wanted to add more information to this dashboard. To do so, I would go into the Dashboard Designer. And here is our typical. This can be customized, but this is what it looks like out of the box. In order to add a new portion to this dashboard, I simply select a given slot. Such as here, I can select the Human Resources report, and from it draw a report part. The Human Resources report has a chart, some fields, and some gauges. I want the chart. And then I can label this report part whatever I like. And if I hit preview, I can now see the new chart which I just added to this dashboard. Notice that one of my filters went away, because this report does not have a country filter placed on it. Remember that in order for a dashboard to have a filter, all the reports which contribute a report part must also have that filter. And that is a basic overview of dashboards. Dashboards are simply a collection of report parts all displayed in the same place. In the next clip, we'll be talking about the Instant Reports feature.